Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through how you can run Node.js scripts from command line. And for that I'm going to use Visual Studio Code as my code editor, and if you need to learn more about VS Code you can watch my VS based videos and find the links in the description below. Now let's come in here and I'm going to create a new file. Name would be app.js, and let's open this file in our file explorer and hold shift and right click to open our command line tool. In my case this is PowerShell, and you can use command line tool as per your liking. Let's come in here and you can run your JavaScript code from command line tool with the command node and type in the name of your script. In my case this is app.js. It's safe and it ran. We don't have anything yet because our file app.js is empty. Let's type in here some JavaScript code. I'm gonna log hello world to the console, hit save. Let's go back to the PowerShell and let's type node app.js. Again hit enter and we get hello world displayed in the PowerShell window. Now nodeJs accepts arguments from the command line. If you type in here node app.js and the argument in a key value pair, in this case you can pass user's information or username with name equals say Joe and hit enter. We still have hello world. By the way, this way you can pass arguments. And now let's retrieve the information with process object built into Node.js. Let's go to our editor and I'm gonna type in here some code process dot argv, and this argv property exposes the array contains all the command line invocation arguments. And then I'm gonna call in here our for each parenthesis and semicolon, and here I'm gonna call our arrow function fat arrow parenthesis, and it will receive two arguments. First one would be the value that we pass here, and this key would be the index. So value and index. Now let's log this information to the console, and I'm gonna add in here backticks, dollar parenthesis, and first would be index colon and second would be parenthesis val. Hit save and let's go to PowerShell window and let me clear the console with cls command, and then I'm gonna type in here node app.js, and I'm gonna also pass some arguments, say name equals Joe, and as I enter we get error. Let's go back to the editor process. All right, hit save and let's go back to PowerShell, clear the screen, and let's type node app.js name equals Joe. Hit save. Now in this array the first element is always the full path of the node command, and the second element right here is the full path of the file being executed, and then rest arguments are present from the third position going forward, as we have name equals Joe. You can also slice these first two elements. Let's go to our editor, and here I'm gonna make some changes. Const args equal process dot arg v dot slice parenthesis 2, and then I'm gonna log to our console this args variable. Hit save, and let's go back to our PowerShell window, and I'm gonna clear the screen and type in here node app.js name equals Joe. Hit enter, and now we only get name equals Joe. You can also parse this information with minimist package, but we'll discuss that in our later videos. And that's all about command line interface with Node.js. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.